minus 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. We have liftoff.
We're gonna see the engines ignite on ship to push it away from the booster. First, we're gonna see the booster's engines start to shut down, all but 3. We're gonna do what's called most engines cut off instead of main engine cut off, because 3 are gonna keep going, and then we're gonna see the engines on ship ignite.
Engine
There's
startup.
most engines cut off.
Stage separation. Booster
Stage separation,
Startup.
hot stage separation confirmed. Ship under its own power. I'm seeing 6 out of 6 Raptors lit. We did hear that the tower is go for catch, so that was one of the big criteria we were looking for.
The booster is making its way back to the launch site. We are going to try and catch it using the chopsticks on the launch tower, the exact same tower that it just launched from.
We can see it coming down through the plume.
Booster coming in hot for booster catch.
We're going to ignite 13 of those Raptor engines, and this view is incredible right now. You can see how fast this vehicle is moving on the left-hand screen.
Landing burn has
13
been
engines.
ignited. We're now down to 3 Raptor engines. We can see those chopsticks now